This is a reminder for all trainee pilots out there, and I'm making this video to encourage you to keep going. I am an airline pilot. I've been an airline pilot for the past few years, and I'm currently flying on the A320. And what I want you to do is just picture yourself 10 years from now doing the job that you had dreamed of since a young age. And ultimately, what you can envisage, and I encourage all of the clients that I work with who are aspiring pilots, I always get them to do this exercise because it really brings home the perspective of why what you're doing right now is so fundamentally important. Honestly, take a second, pause this video, and really imagine yourself 10 years from now and what your life will look like 10 years from now. Even for myself, on a regular basis, this is something that I do in order to encourage myself that when times are getting difficult and I'm becoming confused about things or I'm becoming a bit discouraged by something, I will always withdraw myself from the situation and remind myself why I am doing this all in the first place. It is so fundamentally important if you are someone that is ambitious and someone that is trying to pursue something like becoming an airline pilot, that you really understand why you're going down this really trialing path to get to that point. So having a clear and vivid image of what your life is going to look like is foundationally important when it comes to your motivation towards this industry. I genuinely believe, had I not had that passion and desire from the beginning, I wouldn't have gotten through all the training, all of the difficulties, all of the hurdles to be in the position that I'm in now. And even right now, I don't feel accomplished. I still feel like there is more and more I want to achieve. But ultimately, having that understanding of I'm not going to be in the same position I am right now. I'm going to be in a different position 10 years from now. Having that belief in yourself and knowing that and having a clear vision and a clear understanding of that is what is going to push you today. That's what's going to push you through the difficulties that you face on a day-to-day basis with your training, with coming up with a solution to your training. You are going to build and formulate ways of solving these problems because it's for the sake of your future. If I was to withdraw back to my background and why I'm even in this position, I have to credit so much of my success to my grandparents, and particularly my grandfather. I was speaking to my mum. I recently went on a trip to Egypt with her, and I was recently speaking to her about how I really should not be in this position. Really and truly, if I think about the trajectory of my entire ancestral tree, why am I now sat in this position talking to you guys? Well, there has been a number of decisions that other people have made, not I have made, but other people have made for me. My grandfather made a decision once upon a time to move from his hometown in Pakistan. He decided, I'm going to move to the UK and I'm going to set up my life in the United Kingdom. He made that decision, and whether he knows it or whether he likes it or not, it has put me in this position that I am currently in. Why? Because he made an active choice to change his life. My mum mentioned to me that he was on £1 per week. £1 per week when he came to the UK. So why is it that I am now in the fortunate position that I am now sat here before you saying to you that I'm an airline pilot? Well, it's simply because of the decisions that he made and the fact that he did not procrastinate on those decisions, that he actively put in the work and he tried his best for his future. And I want to remind you that you need to do the exact same thing, and I need to do the exact same thing, and we all need to do the exact same thing, which is invest into ourselves so that we can build a better future for ourselves or for our children or for the people around us. It's so fundamentally important that we do that for ourselves. If you want to make a generational difference, then you have to make difficult decisions now. And there's a really profound quote that I always really draw myself to, and it's that the life that you want is behind the difficult conversations you don't want to have. So when it comes to your journey towards becoming an airline pilot and you're having that challenge in your mind, like how do I accumulate the money, or how do I get past this particular hurdle in my journey? Well, it simply starts by asking the question, but not many people are going to be brave enough to ask that question. So ultimately, one takeaway that I want you to think about from this video is build yourself a future right now. Build yourself a future that you can vividly and really clearly see for yourself. And today, start making actionable steps towards that. Take time out of your day to invest yourself into learning more information or into finding out about new things about the aviation sector, or trying to outsource new pilots that you can speak to, other trainees that you can talk to. And if you're already in training, then use today and use tomorrow and use the day after tomorrow and use every moment you can to being the best version of yourself you physically can be, because you're currently going through that journey. So do not feel discouraged. Don't just give up. Don't roll over and die. Keep going. If you keep going, I promise you'll see it out to the end, and it's going to be worth it in the end. With that all being said, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you need any help on your journey towards becoming a pilot, feel free to go into the link in the description, and I will hopefully be able to help you on your journey. And I'll hopefully see you very soon.